Again, I also like to take your attention, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us Professor Ravindra Kumarji, Head Geology and Principal Sahab of Vanij Mahavidyalaya, Professor N.K. Jha. Again, I like to request Dr. Vandana, please come and felicitate our Director HRDC, Professor Atul Aditya Pandey. Dr. Vandana is an Assistant Professor of BRM College, Munger. Please come, Ruchi ji, please, Assistant Professor, Patna Law College, to felicitate the Dean Faculty of Law, Dr. Vani Bhushan. Dr. Fayaz Khan, please come to felicitate our Principal, Mohammad Sharif Sahab. Dr. Fayaz Khan is an Assistant Professor at PM Law College, Karnataka. Now it is time for a welcome address. I invite Head Department of Law, Patna University, Dr. Yogendra Verma ji, to please come and share your views on this occasion, on this completion day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Patna University, respected Director, UGC, Human Resource Development Center, respected Dean Faculty of Law, respected Principal, Patna Law College, respected Dean Faculty of Commerce, respected Head Department of Geology, and dear participants. A very good afternoon, all of you gather here. Today, on the occasion of validity session of 12 days refresher course in human rights, it is my privilege to welcome the dignitaries present here. First of all, I welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Patna University, Professor Girish Kumar Chaudhary, who is with us under busy schedule. It is your good self, blessing, and your dynamic guardianship. The 12 days refresher course has been successfully completed. Sir, be all inspired of the work culture as developed in recent past under your healthy and dynamic leadership. Sir, the postgraduate Department of Law will feel proud if such type of academic activities in future will assign. Again, I also welcome our dynamic academician, geologist, and affectionate director, UGC, Human Resource Development Center, Patna University, Professor Atul Aditya Pandey, sir, who has not only given us this great opportunity to organize and coordinate this refresher course on the theme of human rights and to interact with the faculties of different subjects, but also time to time provided help, guidance and support and booster to do better. Sir, I learned much more and completed this assignment successfully under your leadership. I request to Director UGC HRDC for new academic assignment like refresher course in law, environment, etc. I would like to welcome my youngest Dean Faculty of Law, Dr. Vani Bhushan, whose moral and academic support during the course is unforgettable. And Professor Dr. Muhammad Sarif, Principal Patna Law College, for his academic and logistic support. Dr. Virendra Kumar Gupta, as a guardian, always provided me moral and academic support whenever I need. He has spent his precious time during this course. He is a part of my heart and soul. Sir, I welcome you on this occasion. In pursuance of my obligation, I would like to, I also welcome to Dean Faculty of Commerce, Professor N.K. Jha, sir, and Head Department of Geology, Professor Dr. Ravindra Kumar, sir. In pursuance of my obligation, I would like to draw your kind attention toward the aspects covered under this 12 days short-term program structured by the UGC. During this short-term period, I tried to cover almost all aspects of human rights to generate the idea, sensitize and produce human rights activists through the series of lectures delivered by the philosophers, sociologists, economists, jurists and administrators, etc. Sir, I would like to give the brief details of the lecture delivered during this course. Professor S.C. Rai, Professor of Law, CNLU, delivered the lecture on relevancy of human rights in democracy. Professor R.C. Sinha, retired Professor of Philosophy, Patna University, and today holding the chairman, post of chairman, Indian Council of Philosophy, New Delhi. Philosophical aspects of human rights, Professor Ajay Kumar, Professor of Law, CNLU, Generation of Human Rights, Shri Sunil Kishore Yadav, Additional Director General of Police, Criminal Investigation, Government of Bihar, also delivered the lecture on human rights and interest of weaker section, protection and problems. Professor S.P. Singh, Professor of Political Science, delivered the lecture on evolution of human rights. Former Vice Chancellor Professor Raj Bihari Singh sir also delivered the lecture on human rights and biodiversity. Professor Virendra Gupta sir also delivered the lecture on enforcement of human rights. Dean Faculty of Law Dr. Wali Bhushan sir also delivered the lecture on intellectual property and human rights. Professor Muhammad Sarif also delivered the lecture on women and human rights under religious paradigm. Professor Khagendra Kumar, Department of Education, Patna University, delivered the lecture on right to education as a human rights. Sir, Professor Ansur Rahman, Director, UGC, HRDC, Jamia Millia Islamia, delivered the lecture on protecting human rights of the migrant workers, issues, challenges and prospects. Professor N.K. Jha sir also delivered the lecture on management of human rights promotes economic and distributive justice for sustainable development of any nation. Professor D.P. Verma sir, now retired Professor of Faculty of Law, Banaras Hindu University, we delivered the lecture on International Bill of Rights, Principles, Stance and Procedure. Professor Sanjeev Kumar Sinha, Challenges to Healthcare System in India and Duty to Welfare State in Human Rights Issues. Professor Manoj Sinha, Director, ILI, New Delhi, Implementation of International Human Rights Law by Indian Judiciary. Professor Dr. Pankaj Kumar Chaturvedi, Dean Faculty of Law, Ranchi University, Origin and Development of Human Rights. Professor N.S. Maurya, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, delivered the lecture on human responsibility for environmental protections and conservation. So, now Professor Ayman Haq sir will deliver the lecture on rights of women, Muslim women a comparative observation. And last day, Professor Dr. Balram Tiwari sir also delivered the lecture on contribution of Hindi Sahit in protection of human rights. This was the marvelous lecture today, and we have heard and sir is sensitized how the writers of the Hindi Sahit be writing on the issues of human rights. So this is the brief idea that we delivered by the different jurists, economists and philosophers. Sir, I feel that views of the resource persons were very fruitful and informative for all of us, opened a new path of thinking, filled in our heart a new values, a spirit ethos to make the humanistic approach to the society. During this course, I also remember the old days of my studentship. With these words, I again welcome all the dignitaries present here. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.